It was the most awaited event of the year, 53 associations showcasing the best of Filipino culture at the Manitoba Filipino Street Festival. Now in its third year, many local performers and international artists joined the festival and thousands of spectators came.
It's really nerve-wracking to sing the national anthem of the Philippines because you don't want to mess up, you don't want to forget the words, and it's really fragile, you know? It's really, you really got to be on point for it. Thank you so much, Winnipeg. You guys are so friendly to me. Everywhere I go, I always see smiles. I never see any snobby people. But, it's just, it warms my heart so much.
Despite the rain, the wet and cold temperature didn't bring down the true Filipino spirit. Instead, kababayans danced through the wet weather.
Alam mo, nag-absent kami sa trabaho namin kasi alam naming masaya dito sa Winnipeg Street Festival. Oh! Enjoy!
Gumising akong maaga para lang makapunta dito. Sulit naman, napakaganda, maraming tao, masaya. At saka nag-enjoy kami lahat.
Amazing performances. We had a great time. It was definitely worth it.
Si Gerald po, when I found out na dito po siya pupunta, na-excite talaga ako. Nakilig nga ako eh.
Co-presented by the Filipino Channel, it was also a priceless moment for many kababayans who wanted to get a glimpse of one of the hottest Kapamilya stars, Gerald Anderson.
Papasalamat ako sa kanila dahil pumunta sila sa event kahit umulan at masama yung panahon. At kahit nung umuulan na, hindi pa rin sila maalis. Grabe yung energy ng crowd, nakakadala. And I was just happy na I got to perform for them at sana naging masaya sila. Sobrang nakakabilib din yung mga Pinoy dahil kahit gano'ng kahirap yung sitwasyon nila, they still work hard for their families here at sa Pilipinas. Nagpabasa din ako kasi hindi sila umaalis eh. Nandun pa rin sila para makita nila ako and syempre dinamayan ko sila and kulang po yun sa pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng suporta na binibigyan nila sa TFC.
Whether rain or shine, Manitoba Filipino Street Festival will always be a hit among Winnipeggers. Ria Alcantara, ABS-CBN News, Winnipeg.